G'day, SEQ Campers presents the Kimberley Kruiswagen. This is our handover video of our off-road Mercedes-Benz Sprinter van and all the features that come with it. We hope you enjoy this video. Please watch it before you come and pick up your van from SEQ Campers on the Sunshine Coast. Our handover video on the Kimberley Kruiswagen starts with let's get you in the driver's seat. We're gonna sit inside, get comfortable with the vehicle, then go through the features. The video is gonna be broken down into a few major sections. One is let's talk about power, charging from the car, mains power, what is a charging system? Let's talk about water. How do we get water in and out of the van? What do we use? And what tips we can use to make sure we're looking after our water and our hot water or diesel system. Number 3, what we really are gonna do is go through the open and close. There's different ways to do everything, what we wanna watch out for. So these are some of the tips. Now we're gonna break this video down into some sections, so you might see the color of my van change or some of the things as the new developments come out. But here is our handover video of the Kimberley Kruiswagen. Let's get you in the driver's seat. So we're gonna start here. We're gonna grab our Mercedes keys and we're gonna start here by all the features that are on this. When we open up, we're gonna look at the features here. Like our Max Tracks holder, we can get pins or tracks for you. We've got our power input, solar input, and ideally, if you choose Starlink, we're gonna have a Starlink input there as well. This is walking in the driver's seat, open the door, and our automatic steps are coming down. Let's go look inside. Starting inside the Mercedes here, we've got our fob, and one thing we do is we demonstrate that you can open and close unlock, and we do have an open and close of the door by holding down that button. Now this fob here, you get 2 of them. There is a charging port underneath, so we're gonna charge that up, but let's just start the van and get yourself comfortable. So here we go, foot on the brake. Start the unit here, and we're gonna set up a couple of things. One of them right away will be Apple CarPlay. If you have an Apple, setting up and connecting your phone, making sure your phone has Apple CarPlay, and then that's gonna come and give me some features right there. We also wanna download the Mercedes Me app. Now, I don't have my phone, but download, log on, so at least when we come in here, you can do it later, or you can look at it and set up your app. This will give you some great Mercedes features. Now, what we do have on the dash here that I'm going to explain is that your volume control, they're all scroll buttons. So we're actually looking here and it scrolls up and down. We can ask for help and we can go through our media through here by touching this. It's all a little touch screen with everything in there. Now this is on my left side here. On my other side here is gonna be all my dash, and this is everything that's happening inside here. And one thing I found out is that inside my navigation, I've got my music, phone, and different settings to connect my phone. But underneath assistance, I do have some help options on there. And this might be different as the models develop, but I do want to say, if I'm looking for help, even if I don't have reception, I need to find out something about the Mercedes. There are some features on there where I can scroll through this, and it's actually going to give me a couple of items there that I can look at and get some information. One of my other features is my cruise control. So again, setting the cruise control, I can push the button, but if I scroll the button, that's gonna go and be a bit more accurate. So we're just talking there about a few options. Get comfortable with your Mercedes, get the power on, and we can show you how the power is charging up the van. That's why I love to start in the driver's seat with the Kimberley Kruiswagen.